Adidas Originals partners once more with The Simpsons, transforming the 1984 Forum low into a bold Treehouse of Horror-inspired sneaker featuring Kang and Kodos. Dominated by lime burst/green/semi-court green, the pair balances eerie tones with darker vamp panels and midsoles for a spooky, playful vibe. A striking touch is the Alien's trademark single eye placed on the tongue, giving the shoe an almost watchful personality. Even the packaging gets attention, dressed in slime green with tentacle graphics surrounding the Simpson kids, tying the theme together. Retailing at about $120, the pair is expected to land on Adidas.com before October ends, just in time for Halloween. With this release, Adidas blends sneaker heritage, pop culture, and cartoon nostalgia, continuing its creative streak of footwear that resonates with both fans of the show and collectors seeking distinctive, story-driven designs.